Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify vector index health in Weaviate, full guide step by step clearly. To verify vector index health in Weaviate, start by accessing your Weaviate instance. Use your preferred command line interface to connect to the Weaviate server. Run the command to check the status of your Weaviate instance. This will confirm if the server is running and responsive. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the Weaviate console. Authenticate with your credentials to access the dashboard. Once logged in, find the Data section in the dashboard. In the Data section, look for the specific class you want to check. Click on the class to view its details and statistics. Review the statistics provided for the class, focusing on the number of objects and the vector count. Take note of any discrepancies between the number of objects and vectors. If there are missing vectors, you may want to re-verify the import process. Next, utilize the health feature found in the sidebar. This will provide an overview of the instance's health, including memory usage and index status. Pay attention to the metrics displayed, particularly any warnings or errors. If the health check indicates issues, consider consulting the Weaviate logs for more detailed information. Access the logs by navigating to your server's log file directory. Open the relevant log file to investigate any errors related to vector indexing. Make sure to review any configuration settings related to vector management. Adjust configurations as needed based on the insights gathered. Once you've ensured that your settings are optimal, rerun the health checks. Finally, document any changes made for future reference and monitoring. By following these steps, you can effectively verify the health of your vector index in Weaviate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.